Hello, this is Joshua Fan 100 and I'm going to show you how to download camstudio, which is a program so you can record your computer or laptop, whatever. So you go click on here, over here, and put in camstudio.org. Now wait for it to load. Oh. You just put in camstudio.org and it should work. Oh, here you go. This is the website. I messed up on searching it. Okay, now you go all the way down to camstudiotraining.exe. Press it. Just wait, and then you should download it. And when you download it, it should be at exe. So install it and all that. After you install it, it will tell you where you want to put the camstudio. You can put it in your desktop, your documents, somewhere in your documents in the folder. And yeah. And then when you open the folder and you press camstudio, it should look like this. And you should press the circle button, and then it should be recording your computer. And then you just press square to stop it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. And thank you for watching. Bye.